and I hope it is audible to all. So, welcome back to another day on Artificial Intelligence program masterclass. Yes, all the notes are available inside our site. Everyone can just go and download it over there. So, once again, very good evening to all, and I hope everyone has a clear knowledge, like some basics on that particular artificial intelligence. So within day four till within day five itself, many of them might have got some kind of what to say insights, like how that particular AI will be working. So throughout that, we will be just seeing today also with some advanced modes, like advanced techniques inside the artificial intelligence. So guys, if you are just interested with the past 4 days contents, means you can just say that 4 days thumbs up. So like that kind of messages will provide us little bit motivated, which motivates all the particular participants. You guys can provide it a 4 thumbs up also for that particular understanding purpose, so that I will be little bit happy by knowing that many of the participants has come to know what and all that particular technologies they have came under here. Yes, happy for that. Wow. So from my side also a thumbs up to all. Oh, thumbs up with 100 marks. Thank you, Bogi and Bhavani. So happy for that. Oh my god. Thank you for this much response. Oh, Tejaswini with more than 4. Madhuk Kumar with his arms. Good. Yes, Ganga Mahesh. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. Thank you, Dikshita. So happy. So happy for each and everyone with their response. And therefore I hope these guys are very clear with that particular concepts whatever we have discussed for the past 4 days. Oh, still coming with fire. Yeah, thank you all. 90 to Dharmashastra, giving me this much 100 marks. I'm not sure, even during my study times also I did not get this much, even single 100 also I did not get it. That's entirely different from this. Yeah. Okay, cool to all. Very good. A nice positive vibe whatever we have provided, you have provided. Yes, Ashok Kumar, I am fine over here. I hope you are also good. Looking energetic. Yeah, I'm always energetic only. Yeah, thank you, Deepthi. Thank you, Sai Navyata. And thank you, Madhav Pogula, for your valuable comments. So happy for that. Yes. Thank you, Deepthi. Thank you, Deepthi. Yes, Hiralal and Srinivas Kumar, I am fine. Fine and going good. Okay, so does anybody have doubts regarding the previous sessions? Exam? There's no exam. Yes, Meghna, I'm good. Yeah, thank you, Morgan. Yeah, definitely this work belongs to the team only. Alone it's not possible. And thanks for your all your conveyings over here. So within this 4 days successfully we have completed and we have came with fifth day. No, here we won't be using any of the YOLO. There's no YOLO over there. YOLO it comes under very high functions. Akshaya, the only thing whatever you need to implement the coding is you have to practice. So you can practice as much as possible. That's the most important thing over here. So without practicing, it's not possible to learn the particular part. Yeah, Niranjani, you can collect the recorded classes from our site. It's available over there. Yes, I pray you can join for 30 days class. No issues. Yeah, day till now it is good. Explain about RGB. RGB means combination. So red, green and blue, that combination is called as RGB. And that's what a quite different question. No, 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 there is no such exam for certifications and all. Projects will be provided as a assignment as a part of practice. There is no marking and all over there. Yes, Shairaj, definitely project based learning only the best way of learning. I have learned completely through project basis only. Very good evening, Ramshankar sir. Uh, Actually, Madhav, this question is good. Whether the course will welcome collab? Yes, definitely it will work, but you won't be able to view anything. Why means Google Colab is not integrated with the offline part of our system, so it won't be able to display any of the windows over there. So what you guys want to do means just do the code in the Colab and use matplotlib to view. And I hope the video processing it's not possible. Yes, Devyani, you can just log into our Pantaki Learning and all the videos are available. Thank you, Chandrika Tech One. So it's look like my shirts are nice. My shirts are good. Because yesterday also I have received one positive comment. Today also I have received. Madhunala, sir, in Python, what are the programming topics we should focus for AI? Actually, AI it is a C. Okay, whatever I am conducting in this 30 days, only a part of particular AI. So if you start to learn and if you need to work on that particular AI means you have to focus on 365 days with different topics. And also you will be able to learn a part of topic only. So AI means it combines everything: machine learning, deep learning, then natural language processing. These three are the major part. Okay, and I hope everyone's doubts are clear. Sir, do you also teach basic concepts of Arduino board? Yes, we do embedded system courses also. You can just join to our embedded course from our online. I have joined in internship, but how should I start? I don't know. Please help me. The starting is very simple. All the videos, respective videos, has been focused in the form of each by panels. So through that you can go for day one, and from that day one you have to complete everything. Then you can move for day two. Simultaneously, all the days will be uploaded. What are the tools? Already the tools has been discussed in day two. I hope so. So Sindil Nathan, where to learn OpenCV completely, sir? Is there any documentation? OpenCV itself has a documentation. OpenCV.org website is there. That's documentation will be available. If AI uses algorithm made by us, then how it is similar to human brain? Fantastic question by Madhav Pogula. Okay, so this question, for example, for the human brain itself, we cannot say some sort of algorithms are there. Take the human's life cycle. So from birth to his death. So within that lifespan, he is learning many things. It's not like he is learning with the help of algorithm. Or I can also say that algorithm name over here, his day-to-day experience. Okay. So initially, his parents will be feeding, his or her parents will be feeding based on from their particular age till they go to school. All the knowledges will be fed by their parents, then by their school teachers, then their college teachers. Then after that, wherever he go for the job, his boss, colleague, everyone. Then his life partners, and his all his commitments will teach him a lesson. So like this kind of different stages if he cross. Therefore, the human being is learning each and every day till his death. Likewise, only for the machine also we are teaching to them. Once when we teach, they are able to adapt. So that way only AI is using the algorithm similar to human. So in our life also there are many algorithms, but we cannot say as a clear way. Shail Raj, actually if you are planning to learn means learn from the scratch. Create your own problems and find a solution for that and present that particular solution somewhere. So you can get some certificate for that, you can add it to your CV. Any course for mechanical engineering? Sorry, we don't have any courses for mechanical engineering other than robotics. Robotics is available. Yes, we have Java internships. Yeah, in college they will be providing many homeworks. Yeah, sure. Try to allocate your own with some long holidays or semester holidays like that. MK Media. Humans are create algorithms. Humans are program AI machine. Maybe. Very good. IMK Media. Nice interaction. So can the machine become more human-like in future? Yes. That's why. What to say? That's why many of them are getting afraid of creating a fully developed AI machine. All the AI missions are semi-automations. AI to reality, like what to say? Oh, mobile phone only. Mobile phone is the best example for AI to reality. Not rather than that, there is nothing other devices. AI is problematic when they start their own thinking. Yes, in business field regarding that we will be discussing. So soon we will be able to get it to know from our upcoming days. Yes, embedded system courses also available. You can just check it with our site pantechelearning.com. 105 underscore Hanusai. AI courses useful for everyone. For me also, for you also, for all the students, for all the industrialists, for everyone it is useful. Let it be mechanical, civil, anyone, all the departments, it is useful. Sanket, the codes are available from our site. You can just collect it from there. Yes, Hiralal, we will be starting the class. Don't worry, guys, without completing today's session, I won't be ending it. Okay, so fine. So your pending questions can be posted into the comments, and in between the time will be provided. Okay, so guys, welcome to the class. So myself Vishnu. I work here for 2+ years, and I worked in deep learning, IoT, embedded, as well as all the particular domains. So my current research, it is working with AR with AI. About Pantech, therefore Pantech provides all the educational equipments for the engineering institutions, for the departments under artificial intelligence, IoT, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, EA, E&I, robotics. We also provide technical training for industries, and at the same time we also provide prototype for do-it-yourself commands. Our vision is to share 10 million students, share the knowledge to at least 10 million students to learn that particular technology in an easy way. So important announcement, attendance will be displayed at 8 p.m. So at e-certificate will be received at end of the series. 25 days attendance is mandatory for the free masterclass participation certificate. And if you guys are joining for internship, means no need to wait for the time. You can learn the entire course within the 60 days. Yeah, is it audible now? Yeah, I hope now it is audible. Fine. I think the audio is correct now. Yeah. Now it is audible. Okay, good. So everything it is in a late reaction, whatever I am getting. Okay, fine. So what you guys will be learning for the entire 30 days, the new AI concepts, everything will be there. And at the same time, image processing, video processing using OpenCV, deep learning algorithms with computer vision applications, and the speech recognition, and NLP applications working with AWS and Microsoft Azure. I assure that those output also you guys will be seeing in an interesting manner. So today we are going to see image and video processing using computer vision as a part 2. So previously we have seen some basic concepts inside that particular image processing, and then we have moved on towards that particular color tracking. So through that HSV comparison we were able to track that particular color. So from that we are moving to the another step. So today we will be having some sort of video processing parts. So from that particular video processing, therefore we will be just going on towards how that particular masking layers, and at the same time how to interact with that particular devices. Okay, so in a particular advanced mode, like finding or counting out the dots, detecting the shapes, and we can also say detecting that particular negative parts. So I hope everyone knows that particular negative image. So the same thing we will also able to convert into negative, what to say, negative video. So that video processing also here we will be seeing. Okay, and therefore just we will be starting with the contents. Today we will be just going on with advancement in image and video processing, converting normal video into negative video, shape detection of an object. Okay, shape detection will be done, and then white and black dot detection using binary. This white and black dot detection using binary, it is somewhat tricky over here. Okay, so that particular tricky data we can see how it is getting changed over here, and how we will be able to make it as a color conversion over there. So just when we go for this advanced image processing, means first we have to know how that particular images it is applied. So here in this particular image processing, therefore the camera will be capturing the video as well as audio. So that buffering for both video as well as audio will be matched as the simultaneous and will be applied to the mux. So mux, it is known as the multiplexer. So through that multiplexer, what will happen? A group of data. So a group of data converting into a single data, that is known as the multiplexer over there. So how that particular multiplexer is being worked? Only with the help of IC. Already we have discussed that inside the device we will be having the filters with the help of IC. So combining all that particular data, here we will be just converting into the mux over here, and it will be transmitted to the demux. So why it is transmitting to the demux, and what is the reason over there? That question we have to find out the answer. Why means the mux, it will be transferring into the single data. The same thing, what is the function of demux? To split a single data into multiple data. So what the function will be happening over there means, we are having a LCD display or LED display to view that particular output, and the display doesn't have any of the audio format, only for video. The speakers are the another part. Now from the demux, one part will be displayed inside the video display, the other part will be going to the speaker. So now both the speaker as well as the video display should play at the same time, right? So this is nothing but the normal kinds of video processing over here. Now through that particular video processing, we have to make some of the process conversions over there. So like here now we will be converting both that particular implementations. So the first we will start with an image, and the same function we will be applying into a video. So those two things only we are going to start from here. So that particular image processing, whatever we have said, here we can see that each and every images has been detected and it has been highlighted over there. Now on to that particular highlightation. Now this particular image, where it just belong to? This image belongs to a particular vehicle. Okay, so according to the research purpose, wherever the autonomous vehicles or whatever that autonomous boats is viewing, means like this particular purpose only, which we have seen in the form of threshold. Whatever we are seeing inside the display, that display we can see it as our visuals only. But inside the system, where the binaries they will be reading, those binaries only here we can see as the zeros and ones. Now similarly, we are going to convert it normal video into negative video. What is it? Negative. Negative is some sort of word which we have seen in the year of early 2000s. Early 2000s means they will be having that analog camera inside that film. So whenever they want to take that photo printout, they will be just saying, I will give this film to them, the negative to them. So from that they will change into the different sizes of photos, whatever we look at. So on to that particular function, what and all the formalities we have to go on. That only the block diagram explains over here. Input, gray conversion, red plane, separation, and finally we have to inverse that particular color over there. So how that particular process will be going on, we can just go through the coding. So first let us go with an image oriented part. So here we have provided one image. Let us take our default image over there, 1.jpg. Now with the help of OpenCV, here I am taking that particular input, and with the help of NumPy, all the data will be converted into a series. So here with the help of image, I am just taking the particular input part. Then from that, the red plane alone is separated. Now from that particular red plane, what and all we are going to collect means, through NumPy the zeros is applied. Zeros matrix will be applied over here, and therefore red plane image will be taken as input. Now for each and every rows and columns it will start to calculate. So the same method we will be learning in another technique also. So what will be that rows and columns inside the for loop iteration? Okay. So for that, here consider this as an image. Now onto that image we are just providing some pixel parts. Okay, so one of the pixel is ready. Okay, so therefore the images is almost ready. Now among this, if you are just going for the functions means, so hereby I am taking a particular brush and I am applying the particular value. Now rows and columns. So how that particular code has been written means, for loop I in range, for loop j in range. First stands for row, second stands for column. So according to the shape, this is known as the rows and this is known as the columns. Now if I start for the first row, so how that particular iteration happens? So first row, first column will be my required part. Then first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column, first row, fifth column. Now after completing this row, it will be moving on to the next part. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, fourth column and fifth column. Then again it moves for third. Now each and every part that particular iteration is applied. Now inside that iteration, what and all that particular separation is done. So when it has been converted particular red plane image, so among with that it will be multiplied with 1. So the same value will be there. But here the red plane shape is detected with the help of R comma C. That is the rows and columns. Now those images only here gets applied over there. Now this red plane is applied with -1 as multiplied. The entire matrix is multiplied with -1. Therefore, the image gets completely inverted over there as negative. Normally, the inverted image only it is called as negative image. So the color, the red plane separated, and the negative part. In this way only the negative image will be applied over here. So does anybody have doubt over here? Doubts can be posted. So we are conducting the particular 1 month internship over here. Those who are interested, they can join to this. And among that, we are providing highly organized videos and source code with downloadable PPTs along with the assignments time. So what is that particular enrichment over here means? It is flexible time. You no need to wait for that particular respective time till I wait. So after that particular each and every day the videos will be uploaded, and this access period will be applied for 60 days, and therefore the registered links are available over here. So just click on the link and you guys can log in over here, and the exciting coupon code you are having, it is welcome AI. Just enter that coupon code and get your redeemed offers. And one more important thing, there's a hackathon will be conducted tomorrow for all the internship students. So in that particular series, what and all we will be discussing means your very own doubts regarding towards the artificial intelligence as well as your practical exposure. And at the same time, we are also arranging an industrialist. So therefore, you can share or you can get some kind of knowledge regarding to the industrial experience with artificial intelligence. So guys, any doubts means you can just post it. Yes, the code once again will be explained for video processing mode. Yeah, I am writing the code in Python ideally, where we are using NumPy here to convert the red plane images into zeros matrix. For there only we are using the NumPy. np.zeros one function will be there. Why -1? To invert that particular image. The exact reason to manipulate that red plane is to convert into the two or bidirectional data, because the color image will be containing three directionals RGB. From that, one of the plane has been removed. Yeah, the same reason only. For the gray movement, we can see inside the video part. Yes, hackathon will be conducted tomorrow, and for all the participants, you will be receiving the Zoom link mail. Gray conversion, converting the tricolor into dual color. Yes, A is possible with any programming software or any programming tools. You have to know that respective language. Yeah, internship certificates will be received only those who attend internship. Rest all of them masterclass certificate will be issued. That too based on their 25 days attendance. Yes, the same can be applied on a video, and that will be our next target. Red plane means within the colors where and in which and all region the red color has been mixed. That is known as red plane. Next, we are going to apply the same thing with video. Now the same thing, import CV2 and the numpy is there. CV2.video capture. Since video is going to collect the continuous frames, here we have applied the while one and two variables to collect the data. And here we are converting into the grayscale first, and from that grayscale towards the red plane. So through that particular red plane we have been removed and it has been reshaped using np.zeros where the numpy is called as np. So within that the same rows and columns application is done over here, and after that particular executions, therefore cv2.imshow, it is applied to display the negative video over there. So here I have given access to the web camera only, and therefore I am running it. Now it will be displaying that output. So this will be the original image, original video. It is recurring with the frames, and this will be the negative video. So this is known as conversion of normal video into negative video. So wherever the particular highlighting has been taken, the negative video has been displayed up over here. So including the stripes of my shirt is also has been converted into the negative. So that means nook and corner positions has been taken inside this video processing. Yes guys, definitely you can just go along with that particular your own instincts with your own codes. वेदांत पटेल, मेरे VS कोड में रन एंड डीबग का ऑप्शन ही चल गया, क्या सेटिंग करना पड़ेगा? उसके बाद मुझे मालूम नहीं. Without any explanation, how understands the code? Yes, Mohan Kadagala, actually it has been explained. This is a short code, and inside this only some processes there. Like first we have to read the image, then grayscale, then we have to convert into the red plane. So regarding the grayscale and the red plane we have seen for past two projects, and after that those red plane has been applied to the for loop iteration where each row and column pixels will be eliminated, and those eliminated data will be inverted with -1 into the red plane image. Yes, the use of particular negative image, we will be able to collect that particular data even in night time. So it can be used for multi-purpose, to analyze the movement, to hide some important or to privatize some data. So for that and all, they can use this image negative. And this negative image, many of them might have seen inside that particular news channels. So for some video explanation or CCTV explanation, they will be using this video channels over there. Okay, I hope everyone is clear regarding this. Okay, fine. So now let us move on to the next part. The next part is detecting the shape using the threshold. So throughout that particular threshold, what and all we have to work on it. Therefore, we have to go under the input. Again, the gray conversion, edge detection will be there, morphology will be there, contour and the shape recognition. Now on to this, except edge detection, we will be focusing in all other parts because edge detection is also being having with some integral parts over there. We will be just discussing onto the separate session and it is listed out inside the agenda. So onto that particular agenda, I hope so it comes under day 8, I hope. Just a moment. I hope it will be on day 8 or day 9. Okay, so we'll be seeing when it takes. Fine. So therefore, we have to take that particular gray conversion over here. The purpose of gray conversion is nothing but to convert a color segmentation. Now, whatever the three planes, from the three planes, we are supposed to provide only two planes over here. Because with the help of the two planes, which is known as black and white, or commonly it can be set as gray. So through that particular black and white as well as the gray, once whenever you are working over there, those data only we will be able to segregate whatever the important features which we require. Now from this, the most important feature is the shape. So throughout this we can see the rectangles, triangles, like that kind of things. So wherever the machine is able to categorize that particular part, it will be taking that particular as a shape, and from that it will be able to make how many shapes are there. That is nothing but counting of shapes. So for that, here we will be providing the input, the gray conversion, edge detection, morphology. So morphology, it is nothing but creating the masking layer over there wherever it gets detected from that particular process of edge. So within that particular process only the morphology is also applied. Now from this, once when we move on towards the contour part, it is used to map that particular area. So once the shape is being detected, a small presence will be there. So within that presence, the complete data will be displayed. So once wherever the contour is being displayed,